guys would like to know how to unload a motorcycle, it's real simple. Put it on the kickstand, drop that side down so it drops onto the kickstand, then the other side comes loose. Now the bike is there by itself, so you can do this by yourself. Now, you walk it down the ramp, preferably not a sketchy ramp like this one. Have something you can step down onto. With your hand on the front brake, you're going to lightly control the bike down slowly, slowly. It's going to hit that oil slick right there. Turn her to the left, Trent. You're creeping to this side. There you go. And then you just use the back brake, or the front brake, I mean, to roll it on down nice and easy. That's the unloading process. Hey everybody, I'm going to give you a quick lesson on how to load a Harley Davidson in the back of a full-size truck all by yourself with no help. This is the easiest way to do it. First thing you want to do, if you got a big one like this, is find somewhere that's either lower or tilted to get the tailgate down. You want to have a good ramp. Much like this one, I got this cycle gear. It's a big fat ramp, it's got lots of room. It's not like Trent's thin, limp-wristed style over there. That one's a little flaccid and it might fold up on you, it's a little scary. Second thing you want to do, grow a real set of balls for this next test. I don't walk my bike in because it's too much work, let's be honest. It's easier to just ride it in. You want to give her a little bit of gas right before you get to the ramp, just whoop and then coast it up the thing, and as soon as you breach the tailgate, you're going to give it a little bit of brakes and just slow down right into place. It's easy peasy. I will demonstrate right now. All right, now I like to leave it in gear, put it on the kickstand. I got my straps ready. I'm gonna hook up the kickstand side first. Leave it a little loose, loosey-goosey. I also highly suggest getting a set of Pro Taper soft ties to make your life a lot easier. You just give her a grab the handlebars. Done. It's that easy. You don't even need any friends. You can be a complete loner and just load a bike just like that. KRUESIOriginals.com. Peace.